The Tunnel Album. The Tunnel is a collaborative album by American DJ Funkmaster Flex and Big Cap. It was released on December 7, 1999 via Def Jam Recordings. Recording sessions took place at Mirror Image Times Square, at Madison Square Garden, at Quad Recording Studios, at Chung Studios, at The Hit Factory, at Electric Lady Studios, at Sound on Sound, at Sony Music Studios, at Soundtrack Recording Studios, at Battery Studios, and at Big Noise Studios in New York City. Production was handled by several record producers including Rockwilder, Gotti, Mannie Fresh, DJ Scratch, Funk Flex, and Big Cap themselves. It features guest appearances from Beanie, Sigel, Tupac, Amil, Angie, Martinez, B.I.G, Black Child, Caddillac, Capone-N-Noreaga, DMX, Drag On, Dr. Dre, Dutch and Spade, Eminem, Erick Sermon, Eve, Fatman, Scoop, Ja Rule, Jay-Z, Jinx, Juvy, Juvenile, Kool. The album peaked at number 35 on the Billboard 200, at number 3 on the top R&B/hip hop albums, and was certified gold by the Recording Industry Association of America on March 7, 2000. It spawned two singles: We In Here with DMX, Eve, Styles P, Chic Louch, Jadakiss, Drag On, and Swizz Beatz B/W, Real G's with Snoop Dogg, and Confrontation with Mary J. Blige B/W, Il Bomb with LL Cool J. Track listing. Notes: signifies a co-producer. Sample credits. Track 1 contains a sample from Bang Bang, written by Sonny Bono and performed by Vanilla Fudge. Track 3 contains a sample from My Song, written by Charles Richard Casson and performed by Al Wilson. Track 5 contains samples from Juicy Fruit, written and performed by James Mtume. I'm Afraid the Masquerade is Over, written by Ali Rubel and performed by David Porter. Stay With Me, written and performed by DeBarge. You Can't Turn Me Away, written by James Bedford, Sylvia Striplin, and Roy Ayers and performed by Sylvia Striplin. Track 8 contains samples from You Know You Got Soul, written by Erick Barrier, Charles Bobbitt, James Brown, Bobby Byatt, and William Griffin, and performed by Erick B. and Raekwon. Track 9 contains excerpts from We're My Homies, written by Lorenzo Grooms, Anthony Prendat, Alphonse Constant, Patrick Harvey, and performed by Lil Scratch. Track 15 contains a sample from I'm Afraid the Masquerade is Over, written by Ali Rubel and performed by David Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, 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 Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter, Vid Porter. Track 16 contains samples from Children's Story and Mona Lisa, written and performed by Slick Rick. 7 Minutes of Funk, written by August Moon and Tyrone Thomas, and performed by the Whole Darn Family. Money, Cash, Hose, written by Sean Carter, Earl Simmons, and Cassine Dean, and performed by Jay-Z, Hip Hop Junkies. Track 18 contains a sample from Live at the Barbecue, written and performed by Main Source. Track 19 contains a sample from King of the Beats, written by Curtis Mantronick and Touring Den, and performed by Mantronix. Track 21 contains a sample from Can I Get A, written by Sean Carter, Jeffrey Atkins, Irving Lorenzo, and Robin Mays, and performed by Jay-Z. Charts. Certifications.